Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here in Foley Square, Lower Manhattan. Today, Wednesday, June 28th, 2023. Now, yesterday we covered the hearing on the possible removal of the Bragg versus Trump indictment to federal court. And we live tweeted the whole back and forth, at the end of which Judge Hellerstein said, telegraphing his future written ruling, that he's not convinced. It seems like the case is going to go back to state court. We'll cover it there too, because today, in fact, in a few short minutes, we're going to be covering the arraignment of Mr. Daniel Penny for the death of Jordan Neely on the F train in Soho, they called it. It was reported all over the country, and he's now going to be arraigned, and we'll find out what the charges of the indictment are. More on that to follow. Now, Miles Guo, also known as Mr. Kwok, also known as Wo Wengui, he's in jail. He remains detained, and yesterday his lawyers put in a filing saying he never agreed to delay his trial until April 2024. He actually wants it in August, and so we'll see if that if he gets that. The government is saying it's very complicated. There's a lot of confidential information. So at the same time, if the Speedy Trial Act means anything, it seems like if he demands a speedy trial, he should get one. The OneCoin, talking about a slow boat to China, the OneCoin crypto fraud, one of the few defendants still awaiting Dilkinska is trying to kick her hearing from this week, or no, early July when we were going to cover it, into September. Konstantin Ignatov, the brother of the founder, supposedly has a sentencing in August. We're pretty sure that's going to be pushed back. Frank Schneider is on the lam. So the whole thing is kind of petering out, but we will cover Greenwood. What we can say is the UN is closed today for Eid, and it may be a good thing for the world, because only yesterday they were found smuggling liquid cocaine into Israel, and the spokesman, Farhan Haq, was asked about it. He promised a full investigation. Of course, there's nothing, and he didn't answer any of Inner City Press's emailed questions. Why? Just as he did on the sex in the van, the UN is in cover-up mode. We've applied to re-enter, and we will not cease. To be continued.